Attention sellers! Starting October 1st, Shopee Malaysia will tighten its handover rules. For orders paid after 12 p.m., parcels must now be handed over by 11:59 a.m. the next day. Miss this deadline and your fulfillment rate will be affected. So, how can you quickly identify, process urgent orders and avoid late handovers? First, you can check the urgent orders alerts via Order Alerts function. Move to this icon. You check all the alert notifications every day. Click View More and click the indicator. You will be auto-guided to the corresponding page. You can customize notification settings. Click Setting, input name, choose indicators, and select Receiver and Frequency. Enabling it, you will receive reminder. Then in the Order Process page, you can filter Expire and select Today. Then you filter all the urgent orders you need to process and pack them in bulk. Next, go to In Process Orders page. Find these orders and click Print Shipping Labels in bulk. Pay attention in order to faster your picking efficiency. You can use shipping labels to pick items. So you need a customized shipping labels. You can go to Setting, Print Setting, add your own template. Here you can choose to show merchant SKU and display both combination and sub ones. Also make sure to select info including shelf and quantity, so that you can know which, where, and how many to pick. Open Auto tool. After courier pickup and scan packages, these orders will auto-update and deduct stock. The new policy may be stricter, but with our system, you don't have to worry. Stay ahead with alerts, batch processing, and faster fulfillment to secure your FHR.